Number 1.
1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000. Finished in classic white with a clean beige interior, it features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck is equipped with the desirable 5.7L V8 engine and a third door for added convenience. The interior is nearly flawless, the carpet is spotless, and the seats are free of any rips or tears. Everything inside works as it should. Notably, the dashboard is completely intact with no cracks and has even been reinforced from the backside for added durability. Mechanically, the truck is sound and runs and drives well. While there are a few minor dings and light scratches consistent with age, the overall body remains in excellent shape. It sits on a brand new 3/5 drop suspension kit and rides on a fresh set of staggered 20-inch US Mags wheels. Additional exterior upgrades include a new roll pan, front bumper, and valance.
Number 2.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500. This truck is a classic single cab pickup that stands out with its fresh updates and timeless design. It has traveled 108,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission, delivering an engaging and authentic driving experience. Finished in a bold red exterior with a matching red interior, the truck retains its original classic interior, adding to its nostalgic charm. Recent upgrades include brand new tires and rims, a fresh coat of paint, a new grille, and new head and tail lights, all contributing to its restored appearance and reliable road presence. Powered by a gasoline engine, this truck blends classic styling with tasteful modern enhancements, making it a great choice for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a clean, well-kept vintage pickup.
Number 3.
1981 Ford F-150, price $4,500, with only 42,000 original miles. Powered by the reliable 4.9L inline-6 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, this 2WD regular cab pickup is completely stock and runs and drives exceptionally well. The truck features a classic blue exterior complemented by a clean gray interior, showcasing its timeless appeal. It starts up without hesitation and offers a smooth, enjoyable driving experience, making it a fun classic truck to own and drive. Additionally, it comes equipped with the optional air conditioning system, which just needs a refrigerant recharge to be fully operational. This F-150 is a great example of a well-maintained, original vintage pickup that's ready to be enjoyed on the road.
Number 4.
1994 Ford F-250, price $9,995. Finished in a striking red exterior with a new white two-tone stripe that adds a classic touch. It features a gray interior and runs on gasoline, powered by the strong and reliable 7.5L 460 V8 engine, known for its excellent oil pressure and impressive performance. With 178,000 miles on the odometer, this truck is equipped with an automatic transmission and four-wheel drive, making it capable on and off the road. Recently driven 1,400 miles without any issues, it proves to be both comfortable and reliable for long hauls. It comes with cold air conditioning, brand new tires and wheels, and a freshly applied spray-in bed liner. The truck rides smoothly and gets attention wherever it goes, thanks to its clean appearance and solid build. Though it carries a rebuilt title, it remains in excellent condition. New chrome center caps are on the way, further enhancing its already appealing look.
Number 5.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, featuring a powerful 5.7L V8 engine and an automatic transmission. With 237,000 miles on the odometer, it continues to run and shift exactly as it should. The truck is finished in a classic blue exterior with a matching blue interior, giving it a clean, cohesive look. Equipped with four-wheel drive that engages flawlessly via the floor-mounted shifter, this Chevy is ready for a variety of terrains and weather conditions. Recent upgrades include a new air conditioning system, shocks, front-end components, and alternator, ensuring reliability and comfort. It also comes with power windows and locks, as well as an aftermarket radio for added convenience and entertainment. This is a great truck for anyone seeking a rugged, well-maintained 4x4 with both utility and classic style.
Number 6.
1981 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000. This truck is a classic long bed pickup that has been well maintained and upgraded for reliability and performance. With only 17,000 miles on the odometer, this truck features a smooth automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It sports a striking blue exterior paired with a clean black interior, giving it a timeless yet bold look. Under the hood, it's been upgraded with a 5.7L V8 engine sourced from a 1997 Silverado, now equipped with a carburetor for a more traditional setup. Most of the components underneath the truck have been replaced or refurbished, including the ball joints, steering components, and brakes, ensuring dependable handling and stopping power. This C10 blends vintage appeal with modern mechanical updates, making it a solid choice for both enthusiasts and everyday drivers.
Number 7.
2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,000, with 147,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Equipped with aux-beam 4-foot ditch lights that include 6 different modes, the Sierra also sports ion alloy 171 wheels wrapped in General Grabber/TX305/70 or 16 tires. The tires are brand new, with only about 6,000 miles driven on them, and they come with a 50,000-mile warranty. Additional recent upgrades include brand new forged upper control arms and a 2.5-inch rough country leveling kit, improving both ride height and off-road capability. Performance enhancements include a Flowmaster Super 10 exhaust for a deeper,
more aggressive sound, while interior comfort and convenience are boosted by a Kenwood Bluetooth radio.
Maintenance has been kept up to date, with a fresh oil change completed just 200 miles ago. The front brake pads still have 7 mm remaining, while the rear pads have 5 mm left. While the truck is in great overall condition with a clean title and a verified Carfax report, there are a couple of minor issues. The passenger taillight needs replacement, and the transfer case could benefit from fresh fluid.
Number 8.
1987 Ford F-150, price $4,000. This truck is a green, rear-wheel drive pickup powered by a 4.9L inline-6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 179,000 miles and a brown interior that was mostly redone by the current owner's father before he became ill. The exterior has been cleaned up but still shows some dents and scratches. It features manual windows and locks, and while the AC is present, it doesn't work. The heater core is bypassed and will need replacement. The truck has been driven only about 150 miles in the past 18 months. It runs solid and comes with a new set of headlights worth $450. Recently smogged, newly registered, and includes a clean title in hand.
Number 9.
1987 Ford F-150, price $2,350, with 196,000 miles on the odometer. Featuring a powerful 350 V8 engine paired with a 4WD automatic transmission, it delivers dependable performance whether used as a workhorse or a daily driver. The truck runs and drives great, showing that it has been well maintained despite its age. Finished in a bold red exterior with a matching burgundy interior, it stands out with a classic 90s look. While there is some rust present on the body, the frame remains in good condition, making it structurally sound. This Chevrolet 1500 runs on gasoline and comes with a clean title in hand, ready for its next owner.
Number 10.
1980 Ford F-150, price $7,400. It features an off-white exterior paired with a newly redone custom interior, giving it a sharp and refreshed look. Powered by a 4.9-liter inline-6 engine with an automatic transmission, the truck has 175,000 miles on the odometer and continues to run excellently thanks to a recent tune-up. Mechanical upgrades include a new carburetor, new spark plugs, a fresh battery, and a clean engine bay with no oil leaks. The bed has been coated with a fresh Raptor liner, enhancing both durability and appearance. With a clean Nevada title, this truck is ready for the road and offers classic reliability with modern updates.